Dear students, today we have to solve the problem by using Hamming window. Please note down the problem. Design an ideal digital FIR filter for a given frequency response HD of e to the power of j omega is equal to 1 for pi by 4 less than or equal to omega less than or equal to pi and 0 for omega less than or equal to pi by 4 and given n is equal to 11, that is maximum number of samples. So now we need to solve the transfer function for a given frequency response. Now let us start the problem. Please listen carefully. Step by step we will follow. Thank you. Now let us start. Hamming window problem. The given HD e to the power of j omega is equal to 1. First of all, we need to solve the impulses of a given equation, that is h of n. The impulse response of window sequence h of n is equal to hd of n into w of n, where hd of n is equal to impulse response by Fourier series method, w of n is equal to window sequence by any window technique. So therefore, first of all we have to determine impulse by means of Fourier series method, and then we need to determine impulses by means of window sequences. After finding these two impulses, and then you have to multiply these two impulses to obtain the impulse response of window sequence, that is h of n. So therefore everybody knows the impulse response by means of Fourier series filter coefficient method, that is hd of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi minus pi to pi capital HD e to the power of j omega e to the power of j omega n d omega. Now hd of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi 2 minus pi by 4. Now 1 is substituted in place of hd e to the power of j omega, that is 1 into e to the power of j omega n d omega, plus integral pi by 4 to pi pi. Then here also 1 is substituted in place of hd e to the power of j omega. Therefore 1 into e to the power of j omega n d omega. If we integrate the above equation, then you are going to obtain the impulse response by means of Fourier series filter coefficient method. Now after integration the above equation, hd of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi into e to the power of j omega n divided by jn minus pi 2 minus pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 pi into e to the power of j omega n by jn pi by 4 to pi. Then if we substitute minus pi by 4, pi by 4, pi, as you know the procedure how to do. Now hd of n is equal to 1 by pi n taken out from the bracket for the sake of simplicity and trigonometric relation, and 2 inserted into the bracket. That's why hd of n is equal to 1 by pi n into e to the power of minus j pi n by 4 minus e to the power of minus j pi n plus e to the power of j pi n minus e to the power of plus j pi n by 4, then divided by 2j, and then hd of n is equal to 1 by pi n into e to the power of j pi n minus e to the power of minus j pi n divided by 2j minus 1 by pi n into e to the power of j pi n by 4 minus e to the power of minus j pi n by 4 divided by 2j. Now, apply a trigonometric relation, that is sin theta is equal to e to the power of j theta minus e to the power of minus j theta divided by 2j. Then by the trigonometric relation, the above equation becomes, that is hd of n is equal to 1 by pi n into sin pi n minus sin pi by 4 n for all n except 0. Now we need to determine the impulses for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, for n is equal to 0, hd of 0 is equal to limit n tends to 0 sin pi n divided by pi n minus limit n tends to 0 sin pi n by 4 divided by pi n. Then you know the trigonometric relation, that is limit n tends to 0 into sin a theta by theta is equal to a. Do you understand I mean? Limit n tends to 0 sin a theta by theta is equal to a. So this trigonometric relation is applied to the above equation. Therefore, hd of 0 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0.75. This is for n is equal to 0, hd of 0 is equal to 0.75. Similarly, we need to determine all the values for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Now, let us see. For n is equal to 1, hd of 1 is equal to sin pi into 1 minus sin pi into 1 by 4 divided by pi into 1, which is equal to minus 0.2245. So hd of 1 is equal to 0.2245. This is minus value for n is equal to 1. Now for n is equal to 2, then hd of 2 is equal to, how much you got? Minus 0.15972. Now for n is equal to 3, then hd of 3 is equal to minus 0.0746. You understand I mean? Now for n is equal to 4, hd4 is equal to, how much you got? Minus 0.000633. Then for n is equal to 5, then hd5 is equal to, how much you got? 0.045093. You understand I mean? Now you got hd of 0, hd of 1, hd of 2, hd of 3, hd of 5. Due to symmetry, hd of n is equal to hd of minus n. Therefore, now you see hd of 0 is equal to 0.75, hd of 1 is equal to hd of minus 1 is equal to minus 0.2245, hd of 2 is equal to hd of minus 2 is equal to minus 0.15972, hd of 3 is equal to hd of minus 3 is equal to minus 0.0746, hd of 4 is equal to hd of minus 4 is equal to minus 0.00633, hd of 5 is equal to hd of minus 5 is equal to 0.045093. Now you got all the impulses by means of Fourier series filter coefficient method. Now we need to calculate impulses or coefficients by window sequence, that means by a window technique, that means by Hamming window. The Hamming window is given by WH of n is equal to 0.54 plus 0.46 cos pi n by pi. For minus 5 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. Then solve for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you see, for n is equal to 0, the window sequence WH of 0 is equal to, simply you substitute the value of n in the above equation, that is 0.54 plus 0.46 into cos pi into 0 divided by 5. That is equal to, for n is equal to 0, WH of 0 is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, WH of 1 is equal to 0.9122. For n is equal to 2, then WH of 2 is equal to 0.6924. For n is equal to 3, WH of 3 is equal to 0.54 plus 0.46 cos pi into 3 divided by 5. That is a formula. Finally, WH of 3 is equal to 0.3982. For n is equal to 4, WH of 4 is equal to 0.1682. For n is equal to 5, WH of 5 is equal to 0.08. Now, due to symmetry, WH of n is equal to WH of minus n. Then you need not necessary to calculate the negative values. Simply you equate to WH of n is equal to WH of minus n. Then you got both impulses, that is by Fourier series method and also window sequence of Hamming window. Then the impulse response is obtained when HD of n is multiplied by WH of n, that is H of n is equal to HD of n into WH of n. Now understand I mean? Then we need to determine the final impulses, that are H of 0 is equal to HD of 0 into WH of 0, that is equal to 0.75 into 1, 0.75. H of 1 is equal to HD1 into WH of 1 is equal to, finally you got it, minus 0.2047. H of 2 is equal to HD of 2 into WH of 2, that is equal to, finally you got minus 0.1084. H of 3 is equal to HD of 3 into WH of 3, that is equal to, H of 3 is equal to minus 0.0302. H of 4 is equal to HD4 into WH of 4. Then finally H of 4 is equal to minus 0.000106. H of 5 is equal to HD5 into WH of 5. Then H of 5 is equal to 0.0036. Now due to symmetry, H of n is equal to H of minus n. So you need not necessary to calculate for negative n values. Now from here, every student knows how to determine the transfer function H of z. Now the transfer function of a digital FIR filter is given by H of z is equal to H0 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to 5 H of n into z to the power of n plus z to the power of minus n. Now you see, z to the power of n is not required, not at all required. Therefore, this equation is not realizable. We need only z to the power of minus n. Minus indicates a delay unit or a memory element. Now, if you substitute the values of H of 0, H of 1, H of 2, H of 3, H of 4, H of 5 in the above transfer function, then this equation you got it. This equation is not realizable because z to the power of plus n is existed. Therefore, to obtain realizable equation for the above transfer function, or to eliminate z to the power of plus n, multiply the above equation by z to the power of minus n minus 1 by 2, where capital N is equal to 11. Therefore, z to the power of minus 5. Now the above equation becomes, after multiplication, then h dash z is equal to 0.75 z to the power of minus 5 minus 0.2047 z to the power of minus 4 minus 0.2047 z to the power of minus 6. Now you see the equation here, this coefficient into z minus 3, this coefficient into z minus 7, this coefficient into z minus 2, this coefficient into z minus 8, this coefficient into z minus 1, this coefficient into z minus 9, this coefficient into z to the power of 0, this coefficient into z to the power of minus 10. Then we have to take first of all z to the power of 0 is equal to 1, that is 0.0036. Now you see h dash z is equal to 0.0036 minus this coefficient into z minus 1, this coefficient into z minus 2, coefficient into z minus 3, this coefficient into z minus 4, this coefficient z minus 5, this coefficient into z minus 6, this coefficient into z minus 7, this coefficient z minus 8, this coefficient into z minus 9, this coefficient into z minus 10. Now you observe, so if you convert the above equation into a general equation, now you have the output filter y of n, or output signal y of n is equal to the output signal from the filter y of n is equal to 0.0036 x of n minus 0.000106 x of n minus 1 minus 0.302 x of n minus 2 minus 0.1084 x of n minus 3 minus 0.2047 x of n minus 4 plus 0.75 x of n minus 5 minus 0.2047 x of n minus 6 minus 0.1084 x of n minus 7 minus 0.302 x of n minus 8 minus 0.000106 x of n minus 9 plus 0.0036 x of n minus 10. Now you please observe here, this is B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9 and B10. Therefore, total number of filter coefficients is equal to 11 because n is equal to 11. Now from the above differential equation, we observed that number of multipliers is equal to 11, number of adders is equal to 10, number of memory element is equal to 10. Then now you see the symmetry, B0 is equal to B10 is equal to 0.0036. Then B1 is equal to B9, B2 is equal to B8, B3 is equal to B7, B4 is equal to B6, B5 is equal to 0.75. These are the final filter coefficients. Thank you very much.